Welcome to today's video on surprising daily facts. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos on topics no one talks about. Space. It's vast, mysterious, and mind-blowing. But did you know that the universe is filled with surprises we are only just beginning to understand? In today's video, we're exploring 5 facts about space that will blow your mind. Would you believe if I told you, space is not completely silent? Let's start with this. Space is not completely silent. Although it's true that in space no one can hear you scream because there's no air to carry sound, space is far from silent. In fact, sound waves can travel through the dense gas clouds that exist between galaxies. NASA has even recorded what these waves sound like, and the result is eerie. The fact that sound waves in space exist in gas clouds between galaxies makes it really interesting to explore. Who knows what we hear? Okay, now let's talk about black holes. The next fact brings out a key characteristic of black holes. Did you know that black holes slow down time? Here's a mind bender. If you were to fall into a black hole, time would slow down, but only for you. To everyone watching from the outside, it would look like you were frozen in time. This happens because black holes warp the very fabric of space-time around them, bending time itself. This effect is called time dilation, and it's one of the most fascinating consequences of Einstein's theory of relativity. As a matter of fact, time even slows down near black holes. Now let's move on to our next fact. Would you believe if someone told you that there's a planet made of diamonds? Here's a sparkling fact. Did you know there's a planet made almost entirely of diamonds? It's called 55 Cancri, located about 40 light-years away from us. Because this planet is incredibly rich in carbon and faces immense pressure, scientists believe much of the planet's interior is diamond. So yes, a diamond planet exists out there in the cosmos, but it's much too far away for us to mine it just yet. Now, isn't that something you didn't know before? Moving on to our next fact that would probably sweep you off your feet. What would you say if I tell you that there's a gigantic water reservoir in space? Did you know that the largest water reservoir in the universe was discovered 12 billion light-years away? This cloud of water vapor is 140 trillion times the amount of water found on Earth. This gigantic water reservoir surrounds a supermassive black hole and is part of a quasar, which is one of the brightest objects in the universe. Coming to the last and the most exciting one. What would you say if I told you that there could be infinite universes? This last fact is truly mind-boggling. According to the theory of the multiverse, our universe might just be one of an infinite number of universes. This theory suggests that every decision we make could result in the creation of a new universe, where a different version of us exists. While it's still just a theory, the concept of multiple or even infinite universes opens up endless possibilities for what might be out there. So which space fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. You can also post topics on which you would like to see more interesting facts, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing facts every week.